concept car called the Adam Rocks. You know? As the name indicates a little bit, this car is about emotion. The verb itself conjures images of off-roady, of lifestyle, being more expressive than the normal Adam. So our concept for the Adam Rocks is really a mixture of a crossover look married with the beauty or freedom of open-top driving.
Bună ziua! Ne aflăm la cea de-a 83-a ediție a Salonului Auto de la Geneva, iar în prima zi, mașina mea preferată este Opel Adam Rocks, pe care o și vedeți în spatele meu.
Essentially, Adam Rocks is based on a much more athletic, much more expressive, much more masculine appearance. Obviously, to fit within this character we've managed to achieve, and by doing so, we've given Adam Rocks a much more squat proportion. We pumped out the wheels 20 millimeters aside and raised. This weather app would allow you to, well, would actually automatically open and close the roof depending on what sort of weather front is imminent. By the way, the roof opens and closes in around the same time as the Cascada, around 16 seconds. So that draws to an end my presentation, my talk today. We can see each other on stage. You can ask me some more questions after this. Also, Andrew will be back on stage to answer any questions. Also, we have with us today the two chief engineers for the programs, Andreas Herfele for the Cascada and Dieter Metz for the Adam Rocks concept.
Hello, my name is Niels Loeb. I'm chief designer for the Opel Adam. And I'd like to personally thank all those great listeners that voted for the Adam to make it the car of the month in Romania, in your country. It gives me great pleasure to know that our design has raised so much emotion and that the people really appreciate what we do. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Suntem de-abia în prima zi a celei de-a 83-a ediții a Geneva Auto Show și deja mi-am ales o favorită pentru acest an. Este vorba despre Opel Cascada. Tot astăzi, până diseară, se va alege și favorita anului. You don't believe and won't belong. You would leave it so
I think you can see Opel and Vauxhall are back right at the heart of European society. We've already got nearly 90,000 orders, and that's enough to hit our sales objectives for this year.
Ceea ce se vede este revenirea brandului Opel în societatea elevată a lumii automobilului. Există deja suficient de comenzi pentru îndeplinirea planului și asta relaxează demersul.
And what we see in the Cascada is the next step in our product evolution. Another fantastic product which really moves the Opel and
Cascada deschide un alt drum, o altă perspectivă.
Well, let me just introduce you to the person who's designed this vehicle to tell you some more about it. May I introduce Andrew Dison?
Designerul Andrew Dison va descrie propria realizare la Geneva 2013.
It's interesting the Cascada started actually really in the design studio. We've taken a look at insignia. We've got the upscale grille, as you can see here, very proud.
Cascada a debutat în studio. Partea frontală vine de la Insignia. Grila cromată reține atenția cu emblema Opel sau Vauxhall, în funcție de piața de desfacere. Grila inferioară permite o admisie generoasă de aer. Există și câteva artificii de design.
Floating element, quite new and very Opel. Okay, we're going to move round to the rear of the car. On our way around, you'll see here
Trecând spre partea posterioară a mașinii, Andrew Dison remarcă jantele de 20 de inci. Există însă și mai mici de 17, 18 și 19 inci.
Perfectly the sculpted body with the flared wheel arches. The rear very sculptural.
La spate, proeminent și el, există inserții cromate și tehnologia LED creează o atmosferă armonioasă.
And runs, interestingly, into the lamp graphic where we have LED technology that gives this completely harmonious look to the lamp graphic. In this tick form here, this signature lighting you see on many Opels, and here we have it in this harmonious appearance where it's visible from all angles and very clean and distinctive. We've concentrated on the materials.
La interior se insistă pe calitatea materialelor și a asamblării. Postul de conducere este desenat pentru cel sau cea de la volan.
It's always wrapped with leather and a contrast stitch. And we've got the contrast stitching also on the seats and the door panels. The seats range from fabric embossing right way through to the Napa leather we have here.
Pielea asigură o atmosferă elegantă. Am asistat împreună, doamnelor, domnișoarelor și domnilor, la o prezentare Opel Adam și Opel Cascada la Salonul Auto de la Geneva 2013.